Hey guys, Nathan Ramsey from MarineMax Lake Wylie here. Want to show you our new 2023 230 Sunliner Sport. As you can see, we have a 175 Mercury outboard on here, so a V6. As you come on, you can see we have shore power, and with the upgraded sound system, you actually have 2 speakers in the back, and you can control the sound from back here. The extended swim platform actually allows you to sit back here while you're underway when you put your safety chains on. And it also gives you a great place to put your fenders in there. Like every Harris, you have your built-in cooler here, your through storage, so you can come all the way through. And as you start walking through, you have your gate here, and then your 3-way positional lounger. So while you're going, you can have it here, you can have it sit back like this, leaning back that way, or lay it all the way down. When you come on the boat, you'll see that you have your sports tower with your bimini. Your anchor light is attached up here, which is usable. And then you always have your 2 captain's chairs that are adjustable. We don't have the table in place, but it comes with the table. We just have that out there for you guys when you come on. We actually do that for you. With the 2023, you have the new digital throttle with active trim, which is a great upgrade. Along with this one, you have your 7-inch Simrad and your upgraded sound system up here with JL audio. You can also see that you have lighting, dock lights, anchor lights, nav lights, all that right here built in. As you move forward even farther, you have your in-floor storage, which you can keep down here. There's a bilge pump in there, and that's great for if you have anything that gets wet, keep all the fluids out. As you move forward, you obviously have your armrest with the new soft touch, which is great, and all the storage that you could possibly use. And with your cup holders, you have your USB outlets, so you know if you run out of power. And then back here, you still have your storage underneath the seat. All right, guys. Well, look forward to you on the water. Thanks.